So it's this time of the year where we have our annual Alumni Picnic in Miami, but this year I'm not going to go. I'm going to miss you guys, but there's other things I'm going to do in the meantime, and I'll let y'all in on it. So instead, I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of solo lunches and brunches, enjoying a little quiet time while one of the kiddos is gone for the summer. And I'm going to do a little extra body care, and this oil smells amazing. So this is, one of my type of resets that I like to do. I like walking through model homes, just getting inspired, and imagining more for myself. Yeah. So before my daughter went away for the summer, she recorded some of this for me because I was in the other model home and my hubs didn't want to make it back down the hill. So she went and recorded it for me. And look at this little sitting area. I can see myself sitting there, relaxing, shooting some more vlogs. And, the only thing I didn't like about this home was the bathroom. I don't care for a closet in the bathroom because of the steam. Plus, I need more closet space than this. I need a seasonal closet because I live in a seasonal climate. Let me know how you feel about having a seasonal closet. I think it's easier to get dressed if you got one closet for your winter, fall stuff, and then the other one for your spring, summer. And shout out to my friend and also my coworker. She is a realtor. She just started her Instagram page. So if you need a realtor here in Charlotte, make sure you shout out my friend Carrie Ann and utilize her services. So she took me on this tour of this beautiful home. And I was also honing my vlogging skills. I meant to get footage for me to vlog, but I was helping her out, which I love helping people, and she's amazing. Thanks, Carrie Ann. And it's never too early to start for back to school, so I grabbed a student planner for my son, and I finally got me a new mouse because the struggle has been real. And so, of course, if you don't know by now, I've been working on this summer reset checklist too. It's not just content, it's how I'm staying focused and intentional with everything I'm doing this season. So make sure if you haven't grabbed it, I'll leave the link in the bio, and it's free, of course. So let's go outside. I wanted to give my patio a little refresh. It's been storming really bad, so I've kind of moved the cushions so that they won't get soaked, even though they're outdoor cushions. So I decided, since it's a few days of sun, I just went and refixed everything out there, put my hanging plants back up on the ledge because of the pouring rain. They've been doing pretty good. I don't really have a green thumb. I got fat thumbs, fat fingers, but apparently they double as a green thumb too. So they've been growing really good, and I got them from my local grocery store here at Food Lion. I think I got all 3 of them there, and they've been doing pretty good. So I'm happy about it. So I probably purchase a few more and bring them inside. And my patio, quote unquote, furniture is really a storage bench, and I house some things in there to free up some space indoors, and it locks and everything. I did get it from Amazon. It was pretty easy to assemble. And what I did was I placed, as you'll see coming up, I placed like a plastic what is it, tablecloth from the party supply section over at the Dollar Tree, just to add an extra barrier from any weather, even though the boxes are weatherproof. But I just wanted to right there add another barrier. So I use black, of course, because it blends and it won't stand out so much. Plus, who's back there? If you're back there, you're gonna be in some big trouble. So please stay off the premises unless you're invited. So my reset is off to a great start, and I have some more things that I have to do, and I'm working on it, and I'll be glad if you come along with me just so you can see all the things I'm up to this summer. And next week I'm getting the house in order too, so make sure you are subscribed. Thanks for watching day number 2. And I'm gonna insert the finished product of the patio. And who wears short shorts? Y'all pardon me, okay? I'm still learning my angles with this filming. Love y'all, bye.